Virtuous Network presents Math Mommy.
Hi guys, Math Mommy here. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and subscribing. Thank you so much for all your comments. I do want to let you guys know we're moving, so I know I've missed a week, and my apologies, but we are working very hard to stay doing Math Mommy during the move, so just stick with us. We will be going over today, I say, an extension of last time's lesson. We'll finish up those exponents. I'll show you a bunch of different ways you can use them. We'll do a couple examples, and then we'll be completely done with exponents as far as using them in that manner. Then the next video will be about base 10 exponents, how to multiply, add those, scientific notation, and that sort of thing. So I'll have Deasia introduce what it is that you'll need. I missed you guys. Go ahead and stay tuned. Get ready, and we'll go ahead and take notes.
Okay, today you'll be needing is 2 sharpened pencils, an eraser, a scientific calculator, scratch paper, and paper. Bye, guys.
All right, I'm back. Now, Deasia told you what you guys will need. Let's get ready to take notes. Yes. So go ahead, get your pencils out, get your scientific calculator ready and your erasers. Get your paper ready so that we can go ahead and take notes. Okay, guys. The first thing I want to discuss, remember we were doing laws of exponents in the last video. So I gave you some rules that you guys would use in order for you to solve particular equations that had exponents in them. And so I left off a couple rules, and I'll start with those. The first one is the negative exponent rule. So that's basically if you have a negative exponent, you have your coefficient, your base. And if you have a negative in the power, then all you do is you put the entire number under a 1 and make it a fraction. That's all you do. So see, this is it. All you do is take this entire number, swing it under a 1. And that's it. That's really very easy with negative exponents. That's all it is. The next one that we'll do is fractional exponents. And those look like this. And with this equation, all you would do is make sure that you break them down. So you would break them completely in half. So it would look like 7/4 times k to the second power divided by k to the third power. See there? And you'll end up with 7/4 negative 1k. And all you do, put that k right on the bottom. And you end up with 7/4k. And that's how you do a fractional exponent. Break it down into 2 equations and then multiply straight across. And we'll do other examples so that you guys get that a little bit better. Now I want to show you guys basically how it looks broken down. There we are. This is how it would look broken down. 7/4k 7 over 4 times K2 over K3 equals 7 over 4 times K negative 1. Then it turns into 7 over 4 times 1 over K. And that's how you got your 7 over 4K. See that, guys? It's very simple if you break it down in half like that, I found. If you guys have a quicker or more efficient way, let me know in the comments. I am more than welcome to comments. Okay, guys, here is the next equation that we'll have an example for. Go ahead and write that down. 3r squared over 2r cubed. Give you some time to write it down. And all you do in this situation again, break it down into two separate multiplication fractions. 3/2 times r squared over r cubed. And then that'll equal 3 over 2r. And I'll show you exactly what that looks like right here. See the first step? We broke it apart where it says break apart. Step 2, after we got our broken apart equation, we multiply across because we put 1 over r since this is a negative equation, or excuse me, a negative exponent. It should look like this. And then it breaks down to 3 over 2r. And that is all we have left. I will also have in the description a link to a worksheet that has all these rules that you can print off that you'll have access to anytime you need it. Like I said, this is what they're doing in the 8th grade right now for Everett School District. So that's what they're learning. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them and subscribe below. Thank you guys so much. I love you, Vibist. Have a good one.